Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 45HR, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, use the down button to scroll down until you find the system option, and then press the start button to enter. Right here we have language option, the first one. Press the start button to enter. And now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by pressing up and down buttons, like this. Find the language you like to use, select it, and then press the start button to confirm. And now when we open the menu, as you can see, the language changed to Deutsch. Let's bring it back to English, like this. As you can see, it's in English. You can also change the language using the phone app. So let's bring our phone. On the phone, let's open the Garmin Connect app. In the app, let's select our watch right here by tapping on this icon. Then tap on General. Here scroll down, select the language option, and find the language on the list. And tap on it to select it. For example, let's select this time French, for example. Now when we open the menu, the language should be changed. Oh no, we need to go back also to the main screen and sync the watch with our phone by tapping this icon. And once it's done syncing, then the language will change. My bad. So once it's done syncing, we open the menu. As you can see, the language changed. Okay, let's bring it back to English. Like this, go back, sync our watch with our phone. And once it's done syncing, the language should change. Like this. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.